everyone! Kumusta? It's me, Hazel's Emporium. Welcome back to my channel, Hazel's Emporium. And to those who are new to me, my name is Hazel. Welcome and thank you for coming to my pram. And please consider subscribing, hit the bell notification down below so you will get notified every time I will be posting a new video. Guys, I know it's a little bit noisy. Apologize for that. I have my AC on. It's summertime and it's so hot in here. So a little bit noisy. I hope you don't mind that. So let's carry on. I know everyone is in my title, but I am still happy to announce that this is my second time collaborating this replica store company named hazelluxury.com. And heads up, I did not receive any payment from this company. Okay, they give this product to me in exchange to my video, which is I am now doing this, like I'm doing an unboxing, and I will definitely give my own personal opinion of this product, and I will do, of course, a try on in this. Please see me more in my unboxing and to the rest. Thank you advance. Alright, so let's begin unboxing. Please careful when using sharp object. Thank you. Oh, look at this. Wow, look at this. Let's take this off. Oh my goodness, look at this. It looks so classy and elegant. Let's take this off. So I trying to figure out, of course this is my first time, so we have to slide right. That's it. Okay, this is a part of tutorial. Okay, take this off. Oh, this has two compartments. We have this information and a sling. Oh, cool. So this has two compartments. Each compartment has pocket, and the other one has, oh, you hear that, guys? Zipper slides so perfectly. So two compartments with each pocket. Smells really good. Oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous. Open up this. The sling handle, guys. Oh my goodness. It doesn't look like a replica bag to me though. This is unreal. And look at this. Let me take the sling off the handle, guys. Okay. So here this is. Wow. There is a Gucci name on it. Cool. It's like a clip. Okay, so we will check closely. Alright, so let's check closely. Stitches are in the right place. Look at this. Oh, this is just so gorgeous. Beautiful though. Look at that. Gorgeous. This is just so gorgeous. I can't really wait to try this on. Thank you so much, Hazelluxury, for this. I super love it. 10 out of 10. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Gorgeous though. Look so classy. Let's try this on. Please see me more in my try on.
I hear the beat. It's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest. Oh, the melody. It's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. I hear the beat. It's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest.